Welcome to our mathematics class. The topic for today is changing dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. I am your teacher, Teacher Zaida. Okay, before we start, let's define dissimilar fractions and similar fractions first. Okay, so when we say dissimilar fractions, these are fractions with different denominators. For example, we have 3/5 and 5/6. So our denominators are 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are different. Therefore, these fractions are dissimilar fractions. Okay? Okay, now when we say similar fractions are fractions with the same denominators. Okay, for example, we have 3/9 and 5/9. Their denominators are 9 and 9. The denominators are the same, therefore, these are similar fractions. To change dissimilar fractions to similar fractions, we have 3 steps. Okay, so step 1, we have to find the LCD of the fractions. Okay, so for example, we have 3/5 and 5/6. Let's find the LCD using listing method. Okay, so let's find the LCD of these fractions. Multiples of 5, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. For 6, we have 6, 12, 18, 24, and 30. The least common multiple of the denominators is 30. So our LCD is 30. Did you get that? Okay, good job. For step 2, we have to change the denominators of the fractions by their LCD. So 3/5 and 5/6 will both have the denominator 30. Okay? Step 3 is to find the new numerator. And to do that, we just have to divide and then multiply. Okay? Just divide and then multiply. So for example, again, our 3/5 and 5/6, we have changed their denominators already by their LCD, which is 30. So we divide 30 by the denominator, and then we multiply the quotient by the numerator. Okay? Okay, so let's find the new numerator. So again, we just divide and then multiply. So 30 divided by 5, we get, okay, very good, we get 6. And then we just multiply the quotient by the numerator 3. So 6 times 3, we get 18. Okay, so 3/5 will become 18 over 30. Did you get that? Okay, how about 5/6? So again, we just divide 30 by 6 and we get 5. Okay, and then we multiply the quotient 5 by 5. And 5 times 5 is 25. So 5/6 will become 25 over 30. Okay, so our answer is 3/5 is equal to 18 over 30. And 5/6 is equal to 25 over 30. Okay, let's have another example. Let's change 1/4 and 7/10 to similar fractions. Okay, so step 1, we have to find the LCD of the fractions. So to do that, we have to get the multiples of 4 and 10. And then we look for the least common multiple of the denominators. Okay? Okay. So let's get the multiples of 4. 4, we have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. For 10, we have 10, 20, and so on. Okay? By looking at their multiples, we could see that the least common multiple is 20. So the least common denominator of the fractions is 20. Okay, and then we change the denominators 4 and 10 by their LCD. Okay, so 1/4 will have the denominator 20 and 7/10 will have the denominator 20. Did you get that? Okay, let's proceed. Okay, to get the new numerator, again, we simply divide and then multiply. Okay, divide and then multiply. 20 divided by 4, we get, okay, very good, we get 5. And then 5 times 1, we get 5. So 1/4 will become 5 over 20. Okay, very good. Next, we divide 20 by 10. And 20 divided by 10 is 2. And then we multiply 2 by 7. 2 times 7 is 14. So 7 over 10 will become 14 over 20. Okay? So 1/4 again will become 5 over 20. And 7/10 will become 14 over 20. So 5 over 20 and 14 over 20 have the same denominators. Therefore, our fractions are now similar fractions. Did you get that? Okay, very good. Okay, could you try this? Could you change these dissimilar fractions to similar fractions? Okay, do this by yourself. Pause the video and then click play again if you are done. Okay? Okay, click pause. Are you done? Okay, let's check. So LCD is, okay, very good. LCD is 24. And then you change 8 and 6 by 24. Okay, very good. Next step is to okay, next step is to divide and then multiply. Okay, 24 divided by 8 will get, okay, very good, we'll get 3. And then multiply it to 3, we get, okay, very good. Answer is 9 over 24. Did you get 9 over 24? Okay, good job. Okay, let's do the other fraction. Divide 24 by 6, we get, okay, yes, we get 4. And then multiply by 2. 4 times 2 will give us, okay, very good. Did you get 8 over 24? Okay, so our final answer is 3/8 will become 9 over 24. And 2/6 will become 8 over 24. Okay, so 9 over 24 and 8 over 24 now have same denominator. So therefore, these are now similar fractions. Do you have any more questions? Did you get our lesson for today? Okay, very good. Thank you for listening. Until next time. Bye.